Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to work with Table View in TaskFord. This view is a great way to manage tasks and deliverables in a spreadsheet-like layout. Let's see how it works.
From your board, you'll see different view options at the top. Let's select the table to start. Now your tasks are displayed in rows and columns, making it easy to scan project details at a glance. Each row represents a task or subtask. Each column represents a task field, such as Assignee, Status, Priority, Start Date, and Due Date. So you can quickly see who is responsible for each task, whether the task is done or still in progress, how urgent it is, and when it starts or ends. Tasks in Table View can also be organized into groups. In this example, the board is grouped by project phases, such as Phase 1, Planning and Preparation, Phase 2, Execution and Analysis, and Phase 3, Reporting and Final Review. Each group shows the number of tasks and subtasks it contains. You can use the arrow next to the group name to expand or collapse that section. This is helpful when your board has a lot of tasks. You can collapse groups you are not working on and keep your workspace focused and easy to navigate. There are several ways to add a new task in Table View. You can click the New Task button at the top of the table to create a new task. You can also use the Add Task button under each group to add a task directly into that section. Another option is to use the three-dot menu on a task, where you can create additional tasks or add subtasks. After creating a task, you can fill in its details directly in the table. For example, you can assign it to a team member. Set the status. Choose a priority. Add a start date and due date. This lets you update your project plan without leaving the table. Table View also gives you control over which fields appear as columns. Click plus icon in the top right corner of the table. From this menu, you can show or hide fields based on the information you want to see. Fields with a check mark are currently visible in the table. For example, you may choose to display Assignee and Due Date, while hiding fields like Priority that are not needed for your current workflow. You can also add more information by selecting Custom Fields. This allows your team to create and use fields that match your specific process, such as budget, estimated time, department, or any other details you want to track. At the top of the table, you'll find tools to manage your view. Use Search to quickly find a task. Use Filter to narrow the table to specific tasks by assignees, start date, due date, or other fields. Use Sort to arrange tasks by any custom fields, such as delivery date or status. Use Group to organize tasks by categories like Assignee or Priority. Use Colors to highlight important information in your table. You can create color rules based on fields, conditions, and values, helping you quickly identify key tasks, priorities, or statuses. And finally, customize your table name and save it for future use, so you can easily return to the view that works best for your workflow. These tools make it easier to focus on the right work at the right time.
Table View makes it easy to manage tasks in a clear format. You can review project progress, manage groups, and customize the table to fit the way your team works. That's how to work with Table View in TaskFord. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.